Hey up guys, it's Dylan at Jordanbikes and today we have this for sale. It is a Triumph Tiger 800. So this is the bike that we have sold previously. It's a 2010 bike on a 60 plate and it's done 20,243 miles from new. It's got the engine bars on there, it's got the dark screen, it's got the Arrow exhaust, and it also has the top box on this one as well. But really good service history on it. Finished off in this really popular yellow colour, and this one does also have the Triumph heated grips fitted to it as well. So on these, being just a standard 800, they are just you and the bike. So a lot of people do like that. And of course, much cheaper as well. So hell of a lot of bike for the money. If you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish. And we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.